Okay, we're now ready for Piecewise 3, and on Piecewise 3, problems 1, 2, and 3 on the front side are the same as what we did in Piecewise 1 and 2. So turning to the back side, number 4 will look something similar to this. It's going to all be horizontal, or so you would think. Notice this is a ray because it's less than. So it's a horizontal ray left. This is a ray because it's a horizontal ray right. But wow, this is a single ordered pair. It's an equal to. It's a point on the graph. And negative 2, 2 is a single point closed. Here an endpoint of negative 2, negative 2, and here an endpoint of 2, 5. And so now we're ready to begin our graph. So I'm going to plot negative 2, 2. So plotting negative 2, negative 2, I'm down here. I have an open circle. It's heading left. Then I have my ordered pair at negative 2, 2. So negative 2, 2, just a single point. And then at negative 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, negative 2, 5, I'm a horizontal ray to the right. So yes, we see a jump, and I jump from here to there. That's just a single point. But when we talk about the pieces, this is the left piece, the right piece, this is a single point, which is just in the middle. All right, so pretty easy. Another jump because it's not continuous. And now we're going to get the next one in place so I can graph it for you as we go, because this seems to work better for these. And now I'm going to have 3 pieces again, but do you see a left ray? You see a right ray, only now this is oblique. And remember, I put my horizontal line, and down here's left, and up there's right. Because just put, here's your left hand, here's your right hand, here's your left hand, here's your right hand, left, right, arrow. Down here, I see the slope is negative, left, right, and the arrow on the right. And again, a single ordered pair. So when I'm doing the green section, f of x equals x minus 2, my slope is positive 1. So it's 1 over 1 or negative 1 over, and she forgot the negative sign there. Okay, negative 1. And since this is the left portion, I'm going to head left. And for the right portion, 5 minus 2x, for those of you that have issues, is negative 2x plus 5. The slope's negative 2 over 1 or 2 over negative 1. I'm heading on the right side, so I want to go down to right 1. And then I have the cute little point, negative 1, 3. Now notice none of these match up, these y guys. And so this is not going to be continuous, and it's going to be a jump. So I'm going to start with negative 1, negative 2. And I'm going to plot negative 1, negative 2 with an open circle. And now I want to go down 1, left 1. And you really only have to do 1 point. So when I go down 1, left 1, I could stop. But I usually go 2. So I'm going to go down 1 more, left 1 more. And then it gets a left arrow. And then my ordered pair is negative 1, 3. So I find my negative 1 and my 3, and that is just a single cute little point, nothing to write home about. And then I'm going to plot my negative 1, 7 before I get to slope, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my negative 1, 7. It's open. I'm moving right, so down 2, right 1. So I'm going down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. I just did a whole bunch of extra ones. You literally only have to do 1, folks. 1 extra point when you draw these, but most of us do 2. And so now again, I show both of them are oblique. Left half of the graph, y equals x minus 2. Right half of the graph, y equals negative 2x plus 5, where we're using x equals negative 1 as the erasing part. Notice this one would keep on going up. We just don't want it. This one would keep on going up, and they would intersect. We just don't want it. We just want the left half and the right half. Now there's one more, and for this next one, we're going to introduce parabola. Now, you all are good parabola drawers, and we always keep these simple. But I'm just going to start out with y equals x squared. Now, you know that a parabola looks like this. And if I go down through the vertex, this is the left side, and that's the right side. So up here, it said less than or equal to 0. So I only wanted the left half. I'm not going to want the right half. And since I don't include the ordered pair, that's going to be an open circle. So I checked out to see that it is exactly half. See, the 0 matches the vertex. So it's half of the parabola to the left. So you can still think, okay, right 1 up 1, oh no, left 1 up 1. You can still think right 2 up 4, oh no, left 2 up 4. Or you can make a table, left 1 up 1, left 2 up 4. It really doesn't matter all that much. But I'm going to put an open circle at 0, 0 when I get my marker here. And so I have 0, 0. Hold on. There it is. It's open. And so left 1 up 1, left 2 up 4. There's my parabola. And so I do my best to draw a parabola. That's pretty bad, but hey. The next one is just an oblique line, and 2 minus x is negative x minus 2. And the slope is negative 1 over 1, and I'm not going to write it the other way because we indeed are heading right. So once I plot my point 0, 2 closed, I'm just going to use my slope. So here is 0, 2, and I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Down 1, I missed. Down 1, right 1. Sorry, I went too far down. That's what happens when you're trying to do too many things at the same time. And pretend like it looks better than it does. I'm not going to redo this tape just because I can't draw. And so we have a jump. This is a parabolic ray. This is an oblique ray. Parabolic ray left, oblique ray right. And again, I just wanted half of it. This ray would keep on going, and we already know this graph would look like this. But it says right here, this is your mirror, left half, right half.